Every single reel on my Instagram is a trial reel, and Claude posts 6 of them every single day without me touching anything. And in the last 90 days, that resulted in 1.5 million views. In this video, I'm going to show you the full trial reels cheat code and set it up with you fully automated. In level 1, we're going to cover the strategy. In level 2, we're going to set up the machine that runs it. And in level 3, we're going to go over exactly when to take a trial reel and promote it to your main feed. The reels that you see on my Instagram account are the reels that I decided to promote, but inside of my content system, if we go to the pipeline and go to all the trial reels, we can see that I posted 129 different topics with 3 variations of the video for each of the topic. And if we scroll through here, all of these videos have gone out as trial reels. The beautiful thing about this is that every part of this process except the recording happens fully on autopilot. Claude researches my competitors, finds viral reel ideas, writes the scripts for me, I then record them, and at that point they show up in this dashboard. From there, it edits through the videos, it gives me the completed V1 versions where I can go in and take a look at what the video output is. I can request a fix or generate variation 2 and variation 3, at which point they appear in the ready column and I can schedule them out on Instagram as trial reels. I just recently did a recording batch 2 days ago, and all of these videos are currently in the process of getting scheduled, and I just scheduled 12 of those videos. Put the skills that are required for all of this in the description down below, but we're going to walk through the setup together in a moment. Trial reels only get shown to people who do not follow your account, meaning they're a great opportunity for you to test topics with absolute strangers to see if they perform before you show them to your actual core audience. The specific reason we use trial reels for every single topic is because testing the hook of a video, meaning the first 3 seconds of a video, is the most crucial part of ensuring a video goes viral. Because if people don't watch past the first 3 seconds, Instagram isn't going to promote your content. And what better way to test this than with people who don't even follow you, meaning there's no duplicate content on your account, and then you can pick the winner and put it on your feed. A perfect example is this video right here where I have 3 variations. The first one got 159,000 views, the second one got 21,000 views, and the third one got 2,000 views. If I wouldn't have tested this and only posted V2 or the V3 hook, for example, I would have never gotten a viral hit. Now, all of these videos, such as this one right here with 144,000 views on my Instagram account, thousands of comments and thousands of likes, and thousands of followers gained as well, this is one of the 3 hook variations that I tested which enabled this topic to actually go viral. And at the end of the day, trial reels allow you to test raw volume, and I get to decide which videos I actually want on my feed. So I still personally decide what my followers see, and I'm able to test a ton of volume with the help of AI. Now, usually everyone would do most of this process by hand, meaning they would spend a lot of time to get the volume that I'm currently running with minimal effort. And the way we do that is by using Claude Code. If you download the Claude app and you switch your tab to the Code tab, this is exactly where you need to be. All you need to do is go to the link down below in the description and download the resources for my Claude content system completely for free. This will then give you a bunch of files which you can collect in a folder, and in this case I've called the folder Claude Code Content System. We then simply go into Claude Code, click on New Chat, and down here we select the specific folder that we just set up. Make sure all the resources that you downloaded are in this folder. Once you've opened up this folder in Claude Code, you can go ahead and say, hey, I just downloaded this from a YouTube channel as free resources for an Instagram strategy around trial reels with automated scheduling, automated editing, automated research, automated scripting, and I want you to set this up for me. Now, once you go ahead and send in that message, Claude is going to run through all of the files that I provided you for free and help you set up this system. And if you get stuck at any point in the process, simply ask Claude Code what exactly to do, and it will help you figure it out. Now, as you can see, it's gone through and explored the folder. It's checking out all the different files. It asked me a couple questions that I've gone ahead and answered, and it's going to do the same thing for you. It's then building out the system, and now I have all kinds of different skills that I can start using. Now, the first step of this process is to even figure out what you want to record. So if you do /ideate, you can do a run where it scrapes all of your competitors. All you need to do is give in your competitor accounts, and it's going to find out which videos performed exceptionally well for them. It's going to run through the whole thing, give you the outliers, the views, and whether it's a fit for your brand. And from there, you can simply tell it to script out the reel. It's going to walk through it and give you 3 different variations for each hook as well as the shared body. It also fact checks everything inside the video to make sure everything that you say is fully up to date. From there, you simply record the video, and this is what a raw recording looks like in practice. It's me setting up the camera, it's me making speech mistakes, it's me looking at the script, and Claude then takes that and makes it into a fully finished video with captions, with color grading, with all the mistakes and the empty pauses cut out, with B-roll in the top, with music added in the back, and the entire video is edited from start to finish. It even adds a comment trigger at the end to ensure that people comment for a specific resource so that I can get them into my DMs and actually book appointments with them. We do this with an AI appointment setter, which I also have videos for on this channel. Now, for the editing process, I actually built this dashboard to make it incredibly easy because I can simply queue up videos and they all run on a server in the cloud, go through the process, and I then get the output videos just like this one. And it's even sped up so that I can review the videos faster. As you can see, captions, b-roll, music, all of it is added. Once I reviewed the video and I'm happy with the output, all I need to do is click on Create V2 and V3, and it will automatically create 3 different variations of this video with different colored borders, with different color grading, with different music, with different colors for the b-roll, and even with myself being flipped and mirrored so that Trial Reels sees every piece of content as a unique piece of content, which is very, very important with Trial Reels. If you do not make your videos unique and you don't add these little changes between the variations to make sure Instagram recognizes it as unique, that specific reel will get 0 views. There's no risk to your account. The only thing that can happen is that one of the videos simply doesn't get any reach and the next video you post is back to normal. Now, you're probably not going to start out with a full editing dashboard, so what you can do is inside of Claude, all you need to do is actually record the video and then do /scripted reels, link the file path, and say edit this video, and it's going to walk through and edit the video for you. From there, all you need to do is do /schedule, and it's going to schedule the specific reel that you specify using a platform called Metricool. As you can see in Metricool, we can look at my content calendar for the next days, and you can see that there are 6 videos scheduled out for every single day. We have variation 1 of the video, we have variation 2 of the video, and we have variation 3 of the video where everything is mirrored and everything is made unique. Now, all of these are scheduled as trial reels, as you can see right here, meaning they go out as trial reels automatically. I don't even have Instagram installed on my phone because I never need to go on it. Everything happens through Claude. Now, all of these skills that I've just explained, the ideation, the scripting, the editing the reels, as well as the scheduling of the reels, all of that are in the free resources in the description. And if you simply put them into a folder and then tell Claude Code to set it up for you, just as I did and just demonstrated here, you will have this system working for yourself in no time. And from there, you can keep iterating on top of it. If you want to change the style of captions, change the music, change the way the editing works, change the way it schedules it, all of that is fully up to you. And the best part is all of these scheduled reels have a specific comment call to action. So I tell people to comment a specific keyword and I'll send them the framework. All of this is done with ManyChat, but I don't even set up these flows. As you can see, all of these flows were created 19 to 20 minutes ago, and I didn't do none of it myself because I was literally already recording this video 20 minutes ago. The flows go ahead and get people to comment a specific keyword, in this case, jobs. It then has a button so that they confirm and send it over. I then send them the full resource with the link, and I then trigger a follow-up automation where after 123 minutes, we go ahead and send an outreach message to start conversations so that our AI appointment setter can book in calls, and we track everything using dmtracker.ai so that we know exactly what reply rate we get for these messages. Now, for this most recent batch recording where I recorded 31 different topics, all I did was tell Claude to script out the reels. I sat down for about 2 hours to record 31 topics, and everything else is now happening in this pipeline. And yes, I still review the videos to make sure that there's no mistakes, but also that process is getting better and better. So pretty soon I'm going to be able to take out the review process entirely and trust that Claude is going to do his thing because I've iterated on the skills so much. Now, when I decide which reels I actually end up promoting as winners and put on my main feed, I usually just use my gut feeling. Do I want my audience to see this topic? Do I want it to permanently be on my feed? And did the video perform well and does it look good? For pretty much all of my videos, the views are the most important benchmark. When I started, I was publishing videos with about 10,000 views, then I was doing 40, 30, 50, and at this point, there's only videos over 100,000 views with one single exception because I wanted to have that video on my feed. But for me personally, any video that gets above 20,000 views and I personally like the topic and would like to have it on my feed, I would promote as a winner. And this process is manual, and I actually download the Instagram app just to do that and get it onto my feed whenever I want to pick out a video. But Claude even suggests these videos for me, so this trial reel right here is a promotion candidate which I don't yet have on my feed. If I click on it, I can see that I have 3 different trial reels on Instagram currently, and I can see the exact metrics. And one of these videos got 78,000 views with 1,500 likes, and it's still a trial reel, meaning it's not on my page. You can see me with my blue t-shirt. If we go here, the only video I have is one with 2,000 views, and it's not the same thing. So this is a good candidate that I would potentially want to promote, and I can do that through my phone. But there's also trial reels that do incredibly well, such as this one, which got 159,000 views and over 3,000 likes, that I never even promote to my main feed just because I didn't really like the topic, so I'm happy with it staying in trial reels forever. If we open up the reel, we can see that it got 3,000 likes, 7,000 comments, but it's about ChatGPT scoring your face, and I didn't think it was the best brand fit, so I just kept it on my trial reels forever. If you go ahead and look through my feed, you can see that this video is nowhere to be found. A rule of thumb is that I usually promote a topic that I like with a lot of views in the first couple of days after posting it. If you wait too long, the video is going to be dead when you publish it to your feed and the views will no longer climb. As said, all the free resources from this video are down below in the description, but if you want to work with us to implement something like this for your business, completely done for you by people who have done it themselves multiple times, or if you already have a big content machine going on Instagram and you have a lot of leads and you don't know how to convert those leads into calls and you're interested in potentially getting an AI setter built by us for you, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to see if we are a good fit and if we can potentially work together. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment any questions down below in the comments.